This is T-Tablet 5G, and today I would like to show how you can fix the incoming phone calls receptivity problems on this device. So I recommend that you begin with checking if your system is in the airplane or and do not disturb mode. The quickest way to do that is to launch the control panel. Here they are. So both of those modes prevent you from being able to receive any phone calls. So if you would like to get phone calls, anyway, if you would like to fix that issue, make sure to deactivate both those options. Then what you might also want to do is to reboot your tablet, since quite often, or more often than not, the restart of the device solves a lot of random and unexplainable issues, should I say. Not that unexplainable, but the issues that appeared out of the blue and do not seem to be caused by any particular thing, just appeared out of random, should I say. Anyway, in order to reboot this tablet, just press and hold the side power button, keep holding it for about 5 seconds or so. Or maybe let's try another way. Yep, you can also do that by simultaneously pressing the power button and volume up. And here just tap at the restart. And the final advice that I have for you is that you just take off the SIM card and wipe it clean with some kind of ethanol or other electronics friendly cleaning solution. And microfiber or a regular cloth will do just fine. And well, if you're still experiencing the same issue after that, you can contact your carrier or cellular network provider, since most probably at this point the issue lays on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.